Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. So yeah, this is basically unchanged and has played out so far nicely. I mentioned to you in the previous video that we can count the move up from the low here, which was at $6 basically. Yeah, we can count this as a leading diagonal. Each of these waves as a 3-wave move. Here the wave 1 was counted as a WXY. Because it's so large, I just detailed it on the chart here. But yeah, it's basically 3-3-3-3-3 pattern, that leading diagonal. There's a couple of other counts possible, but I find that is probably the most useful one. And then we are now coming down. Basically, this leading diagonal created a wave 1, and we're now coming down in the wave 2. So the wave 2 is currently subdividing into an A, B, C, and in the wave C, I believe we've already done nearly 5 waves. Yeah, so this is currently interesting. We can take a look at that. At the moment, we can remain carefully bullish. Yeah, I mentioned it in every video that we can't say the low is in. We can make a case for it, but the market needs to prove to us that this bullish scenario is in, and basically that the low is in. Yeah? So without the proving of the market, without seeing the evidence eventually in the Elliott Wave patterns, we can't really, we won't have the evidence. We can make a case for it, that this is what might be ongoing. That's the point of analyzing a chart, but there is no evidence yet. So we have really only done a wave a 1 and a wave 2, and we are far away from completing this impulse, because we also need a wave 3, a wave 4 and a wave 5, and then we will see a larger correction down. Yeah, so at the moment it's all going okay. Yeah, that retracement in the end was a bit deeper than it would have been in the as assumed in the previous scenario that we had on the chart, which was not a leading diagonal, but now it makes more sense. And we are going to follow through here. So the key support levels that we currently have on the chart are the wave X low here at 655. It's a key support that I'm going to highlight here on the chart. A very important level. Yeah, below that level we are going to retest the low at around $6. I think it was just below $6, maybe $5.99, $5.98. And yeah, I mean, below that already shows you that that 655 level is very, very important to hold. Breaking below that would seriously threaten this sort of bullish scenario, because if we lose that level, we are probably going to see here a lower low below $6. Yeah. However, at the moment, again, we can remain carefully bullish as long as we hold these support levels. And I believe I mentioned to you in the previous video that we are still waiting for a wave 5 low here. I haven't changed that wave count from the previous video, and I think that played out nicely. Looking backwards now and aligning the chart with Ethereum and Bitcoin, I would rather count this as the wave 3, this as the wave 4, and then the wave 5 probably still ongoing at the moment. Yeah, there is currently no bullish evidence on the chart. We made already that lower low. Yeah, what you haven't done on Ethereum and Bitcoin yet, you've done here on the Polkadot chart, basically made that lower low. Here at $7 we found support, but I don't think this is over yet, because I do expect still lower prices for ADA, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Alternatively, yeah, if we break above impulsively, above the wave 4 high here, which is at 755, then we could say that the low is possibly already in. At the moment, I would rather focus further to the downside. And I just gave you 2 key levels. We can also look at it in terms of what is the ideal level in terms of Fibonacci extensions. And for that, we take the length of the wave 1 and we add it to the beginning of the wave 5, and then you get the 1-to-1 ratio. That level is at $6.70. That is the first ideal target here for a wave 5. Then we've got obviously a 666 or 667. 666. All right, then 655. And then if we go lower than that, we've got the $6.13 level. That is the 1.618 extension, also a possible level. And just below that, we obviously have the $6 level. So these are now 4 levels that you have where we will find support, where the price has a chance to turn around. Obviously, in terms of the bullish scenario, it would be better to find support at one of these higher levels here, and then I would expect in this scenario that the price is going to reverse to the upside and move up. So I would expect some upside anyway. What we don't know yet if the next move up will be impulsive or corrective. But after this dip, we should see some upside possibly throughout the week, and I'll keep you updated on a daily basis. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update about Polkadot. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And please also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links for those in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.